Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a good one for you today. It's a beautiful day here in Iowa, about 45 degrees, maybe 50. And it's tinfoil hat check day. No, sorry, tinfoil truck check day, where we do weld tests. And we do them with a baseball bat, because this truck is meant to go to the rocks in the desert, and if it can't handle an aluminum bat, it certainly can't handle rocks, can it? So stay tuned. We're going to get to testing all the major parts of this vehicle, just so we can make sure that this metal so we know that these are the pieces that I'm going to be testing. Let's just get into it. So good. This isn't the hand that ow, bat with. All right, we're ready for the rocks. That was what I was looking for.